Hey everyone, and welcome to Herbal Health and Vitality. I'm so glad you're here. You know how much I love exploring natural ways to enhance our well-being, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of kava. Kava, a root extract from the South Pacific, has been celebrated for centuries for its calming properties and role in social gatherings. It's like the ultimate icebreaker, but with a plant-based twist. Throughout this video, we'll journey through the history of kava, uncover its amazing benefits, and even whip up some delicious recipes you can try at home. So grab your favorite mug, get comfy, and let's explore the world of kava together.
Imagine traveling back in time, thousands of years, to the islands of the South Pacific, where the ocean waves gently kiss the shores and the lush greenery stretches as far as the eye can see. The air is warm, filled with the scent of salt and hibiscus, a fragrance that instantly transports you to a serene tropical haven. This is where our story begins, in this tropical paradise, where kava has been woven into the fabric of life for generations, becoming an integral part of the islanders' daily existence. For centuries, kava has held a sacred place in cultural ceremonies, rituals, and everyday social interactions, symbolizing unity and tradition. It's not just a drink, it's a symbol of hospitality, friendship, and connection, a way to bring people together and strengthen communal bonds. Picture this: villagers gathering around a crackling fire, sharing stories and laughter as they pass around a bowl of freshly brewed kava, their faces illuminated by the flickering flames. It's a scene that has played out for centuries, connecting people and fostering a sense of community, a tradition that has stood the test of time. The use of kava in these cultures wasn't just about its social lubricant qualities, it was deeply intertwined with their health and well-being practices. It was also revered for its medicinal properties, believed to heal the body and soothe the mind. Think of it as the original chill pill, used to ease stress, promote relaxation, and even lull people into a peaceful sleep, offering a natural remedy for the pressures of life. From the Pacific Islands, the knowledge and traditions surrounding kava spread like a gentle wave, reaching new shores and captivating new audiences, sharing its calming benefits with the world. Today, kava is experiencing a resurgence in popularity as more people discover its calming embrace and seek natural ways to unwind, finding solace in its ancient roots. But the story of kava isn't just about the past, it's about the present and the future, about how we can blend ancient practices with modern life. It's about rediscovering ancient wisdom and incorporating it into our modern lives, finding balance and harmony in a fast-paced world. It's about finding moments of peace in our often chaotic world and connecting with ourselves and others on a deeper level, using kava as a bridge to tranquility. And that, my friends, is a story worth sharing, a tale of tradition, connection, and the timeless quest for peace and community.
Now let's talk about how you can easily weave kava into your daily routine. Whether you're a morning person or a night owl, kava can seamlessly fit into your lifestyle. Because let's be honest, we could all use a little more calm and focus in our lives, right? In our fast-paced world, finding moments of tranquility can be a game changer. One of my favorite ways to start the day is with a mindful kava ritual. It's a simple yet powerful practice that sets a positive tone for the entire day. Imagine this: the sun gently rising, casting a warm glow across your kitchen. The world is still quiet and you have a few precious moments to yourself. You take a few moments to breathe deeply, center yourself, and prepare a warm cup of kava tea. This small act of self-care can make a big difference in how you feel throughout the day. The earthy aroma fills the air, inviting you to slow down and savor the moment. It's a sensory experience that grounds you and brings you into the present. As you sip your kava tea, you can feel the gentle, calming effects washing over you, easing away any morning anxieties and setting a positive tone for the day ahead. It's like a warm hug in a cup. But kava isn't just for mornings. Its benefits can be enjoyed at any time of the day, making it a versatile addition to your routine. It can also be your secret weapon against the afternoon slump, or a soothing companion during your evening wind down. Imagine taking a break in the middle of a hectic day to enjoy a calming cup of kava. Imagine this: after a long day, you slip into your comfiest clothes, light some candles, and settle in with a good book and a warm mug of kava. It's the perfect way to transition from the busyness of the day to a peaceful evening. The stresses of the day melt away as you immerse yourself in the story. allowing Kava's calming embrace to lull you into a state of pure relaxation. It's a moment of pure bliss. And for those who struggle with sleep, Kava can be a game changer. Its natural calming properties can help you unwind and prepare for a restful night's sleep. Sipping a cup of Kava tea before bed can help quiet your mind, relax your body, and ease you into a restful night's sleep. It's a gentle way to end the day on a positive note. The beauty of Kava is its versatility. Whether you prefer it as a tea, in a smoothie, or in capsule form, there's a way to enjoy Kava that fits your lifestyle. You can enjoy it as a tea, blend it into smoothies, or even find it in capsule form. The options are endless, allowing you to find what works best for you. Experiment and discover what works best for you. The key is to find a way to incorporate Kava into your routine that feels natural and enjoyable. So whether you're starting your day with a mindful Kava ritual, taking a calming afternoon break, or winding down in the evening, Kava can be a wonderful addition to your daily routine. Embrace the calm and enjoy the journey.
Ready to get creative in the kitchen? Let's whip up some delicious and easy Kava recipes that will tantalize your taste buds while promoting a sense of well-being. First up, we have the classic Kava tea. Don't worry, it's much simpler than it sounds. Just add a teaspoon of Kava root powder to a cup of hot water, steep for a few minutes, and strain. You can enjoy your Kava tea plain or add a touch of honey, lemon, or even a dash of cinnamon for extra flavor. It's like a warm hug in a mug. If you're feeling adventurous, why not try a Kava smoothie? It's a delicious and refreshing way to get your daily dose of Kava. Simply blend your favorite fruits, veggies, a scoop of protein powder, and a teaspoon of Kava root powder for a nutritious and calming treat. For those who prefer a bit of indulgence, Kava can even be incorporated into desserts. Imagine a creamy Kava chocolate mousse or a batch of Kava-infused energy bites. The possibilities are endless. So put on your chef's hat, get creative in the kitchen, and discover the wonderful world of Kava-infused treats.
Now that you're eager to experience the benefits of Kava firsthand, let's talk about where you can find high-quality Kava products. One option is to explore your local health food stores. Many now carry a variety of Kava products, from Kava root powder to Kava capsules, and even ready-to-drink Kava beverages. If you prefer the convenience of online shopping, numerous reputable online retailers specialize in Kava. When purchasing Kava online, it's crucial to choose a trusted source that provides detailed product information and sources its Kava responsibly. Look for Kava that is organically grown and sustainably harvested to ensure you're getting the highest quality product. Remember, not all Kava is created equal. When in doubt, don't hesitate to reach out to the retailer with any questions you may have about their Kava products. They should be more than happy to provide you with the information you need to make an informed decision.
Let's dive into the science-backed benefits of Kava and explore how this ancient root can enhance your overall well-being. Kava, a plant native to the South Pacific, has been used for centuries in traditional ceremonies and as a natural remedy for various ailments. First and foremost, Kava is renowned for its remarkable ability to alleviate stress and anxiety. In today's fast-paced world, finding a natural way to unwind is invaluable. It's like a natural chill pill without the unwanted side effects. Unlike some medications, Kava doesn't leave you feeling groggy or disconnected. Imagine this. You're feeling overwhelmed by deadlines, responsibilities, and the never-ending to-do list. The pressure can be immense, and finding a moment of peace seems impossible. Instead of reaching for that extra cup of coffee or sugary snack, you brew a cup of Kava tea. The process itself can be a calming ritual, allowing you to take a break and focus on self-care. As you sip the earthy beverage, you can feel the tension gently easing away, replaced by a sense of calm and clarity. It's a simple yet effective way to reset your mind and body. Kava's calming effects can also work wonders for improving sleep quality. A good night's sleep is crucial for overall health and well-being. If you're tired of tossing and turning at night, Kava can be your new best friend. It helps to quiet the mind and prepare your body for rest. Imagine this. You dim the lights, slip into your pajamas, and enjoy a warm cup of Kava tea before bed. This simple routine can signal to your body that it's time to wind down. The calming properties of Kava help quiet your mind, relax your body, and ease you into a peaceful slumber. You'll wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day, but Kava's benefits don't stop there. Its positive effects extend beyond just stress relief and better sleep. Studies have also shown that kava can enhance mood and promote feelings of well-being. It's a natural way to boost your emotional health. It's like a natural mood booster, helping to brighten your day and increase feelings of happiness and contentment. When you feel good, everything else seems to fall into place. So if you're feeling a little down, kava can help lift your spirits and bring a smile to your face. It's a gentle nudge towards a more positive outlook. Kava has also been found to improve cognitive function, enhancing focus, memory, and mental clarity. In a world full of distractions, staying sharp is essential. It's like a brain power boost, helping you stay sharp and on top of your game. Whether you're studying, working, or tackling a new project, kava can help you maintain your edge. And last but not least, kava is a natural social lubricant. Social interactions can sometimes be daunting, but kava can make them more enjoyable. It can help ease social anxiety, making it easier to connect with others and enjoy social situations. You'll find yourself more at ease in conversations and gatherings. So whether you're heading to a party, networking event, or simply want to feel more comfortable in social settings, kava can be your secret weapon for effortless socializing. Embrace the benefits of kava and see how it can enhance your life in multiple ways.
Well, there you have it, our exploration of the wonderful world of kava. From its rich history and cultural significance to its incredible health benefits and delicious recipes, kava is a true gift from nature. If you enjoyed today's video and want to join our community of wellness enthusiasts, be sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss an upload. And remember, incorporating kava into your life is a journey of self-discovery and relaxation. Experiment, find what works best for you, and embrace the calm and tranquility. See you in the next video.